Hey there everybody, welcome to Jason Explains Things. We're gonna be doing a fun aesthetic upgrade today on my Toyota Tacoma. If you haven't been following along on the channel so far, this is my 2022 Tacoma TRD Off-Road that I have lovingly named Sarge because of the color. Super creative, I know. We're gonna be doing an upgrade that a lot of people love to do on Tacomas, which is we're gonna be swapping out the front grille for, I think, the coolest, perfect option for my truck. I'm gonna show it to you. It's cool. We're gonna do the whole thing, but I gotta have a promise from you guys. You cannot copy me. I'm serious on this one. You can watch this video and enjoy it and wish you would have thought of it first, but do not copy me, okay? I'm the only one allowed. But let's unbox this grille and I'm gonna go over why it's so awesome for my truck. Specifically, maybe your truck, but actually not your truck because you can't copy me. Let's do it now. Yes. So what we have here is a TRD Pro style front grille made by Toyota. So this is a factory part. It's not gonna have any fitment issues or anything like that, but this is not from a TRD Pro. This is actually off of the 2022 SR5 Trail Edition that comes with special bronze lettering, as you can see, and also bronze wheels. And I kind of actually was really interested in picking up the Trail Edition, but first off, it's almost exactly the same price as a TRD Off-Road, but it's an SR5, so it doesn't come with a whole bunch of features that this truck has. But I do love this grille so much that I've been actually waiting and checking over and over again to see when this was available. Again, this is the exact same paint code as my wheels that I added. These are not the Trail Edition wheels. These are actually, I think these are usually for a 4Runner. So this is what we're gonna be putting in. Let's take off the old one and then we'll talk about putting in the new one. Taking off the front grille is so easy on this truck, so obviously lift your hood. Then we're gonna have two 10mm bolts that I'll get a close-up of right here and right here. Then we have some some clips that we just pop out with a flat-headed screwdriver on each corner, right there and right there. And then we have the wiring harness for the front radar. And apparently all you do is just pull straight out. All right, I think I got it. You wanna pull not just out, you wanna be up and out. So here we go. Oh, dead fly. Don't look at that. There we go. Off.
Swapping the grille out of the body-colored grille surround is very easy. The center is held in by a series of plastic tabs and also by a series of small Phillips head screws. First, remove all of the screws. These will not be used for the new grille. If you end up saving or selling your old grille, be sure to include these screws. Then release the plastic tabs and the grille should easily pop out.
Next, we're gonna swap out the sensor hardware out of the old into the new, and we're just gonna reuse the existing hardware to put it in.
Remove the 3 mounting screws from the sensor. Special note, that smaller screw ensures that the sensor is oriented correctly. FYI, MSRP for that sensor is $550, so do not drop it. Those 2 special mounting nuts simply snap in and out of place. So transfer them from the old into the new, then mount the sensor with the 3 screws.
Well, my friends, we've got everything on the new grille ready to go. We've got the radar sensor right there installed with the same hardware, and you might see something else. We've got a front camera. So this video is not gonna cover the front camera, but I actually have done a front camera before on my 4Runner. The process is exactly the same. And then I also have my friend Chloe Kuo, who has a YouTube channel all about her Tacoma, also has an install video that I'll also link below all about these front cameras. But if you are interested in one, they're available at Cali Raised LED, and I have a discount code. I love this on my 4Runner, and I cannot wait to start using it on the Tacoma too. Couldn't be easier. We're just lining up all the tabs and we push it in. Boom. We are almost done with this upgrade that I'm super excited about and that none of you are going to do after me. But we are missing something, right? So this, again, is an OEM grill, but we're gonna be going aftermarket for the sensor cover. And the reason for that is this grill retails, at least when I bought it, for like, I think $280, $290. But if you buy the sensor cover from Toyota, I think they want $400 for this single piece of plastic. So what this is an aftermarket made in China knockoff piece that I got off of Amazon, but this is the highest rated one. Is this gonna fit in there with this camera in the way? It should. Well, as you see, sometimes things don't go completely according to plan. I did do a test fit, but I think just like a millimeter or two, one way or the other, allows you and doesn't allow you to do that. So good thing is that my plan here will work and will work just fine. I just have to loosen the camera every time I want to take this in and out. So not awesome, but in the end, this camera does not block the sensor at all, so it shouldn't interfere with anything. Obviously, if it does, I will say that on the screen right now, but it shouldn't, and I've done this before on the 4Runner. So anyway, let's tighten this back in, secure the top piece, and we'll be done. These little tabs that hold the top corners in are incredibly difficult to push in. I was like making my fingers like cry with pain, but I found a cool trick. So get yourself a deep socket and then put the little piece on top and then secure it on there with painter's tape like this, and then you can shove with all your force right against this on there, and you're not gonna kill your fingers as you put that on.
All right, does the front camera work? Oh, there's Jordan. It does work. Awesome.
Well, guys, thank you all very much for watching. I think I'm gonna celebrate how awesome this is by going and getting Sarge dirty. Again, you are not allowed to copy me, but if you wanna watch more videos that you can copy, unlike this one, check out the Overland DIY playlist. Thank you all very much for watching. I appreciate it so much. You can like, share, subscribe, all that stuff if you feel like it. And until next time, God bless, and don't forget to do it yourself.